So guys, you can see this website that will pay you $5 to $100. It's just very simple. It's simple. So you can see that this website will pay you $5 to $100. Just it depends on how you work on those websites. That is how you'll be able to make this type of money. So if you want to make this type of money, I want you to keep on watching, and I will show you step by step how you can make this type of money with this website. So if you want to get this type of money, just keep on watching, and I will show you step by step how you can make money with this step. So let us go to how you can make money with this website. Let me take you to that step now. So as you can see guys, this is the website which is called Ysense. Ysense is a free gift card website. This is a website that allows you to take surveys online and you are getting paid. I know you'll be asking a question on your mind. What is Ysense? As you can see, it says Ysense instal cash online. Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online service, cash offers, and more. You can make money with this website by just doing a very simple task and you are getting paid in return. So let us just go through the website. You can see get paid surveys, cash offers, and referral. So you can make money in multiple ways with this website. You can make money by taking survey, completing a task. You can make money by referring people to this program. You can see companies that they are partnering with that is putting their services on this website, which is Ysense, and those companies are the company that is paying the money, and you are getting a commission from the money that they are paying Ysense. So if I scroll down here, you can see that Ysense have their application on Google Play Store. They have it on Apple Store, so you can go and download the application. But before you download the application, let me show you how Ysense work. So we are going to go to how the Ysense application or how Ysense work. What I say again, Ysense is a free online website that allows you to take survey, complete a particular task, and you are getting paid in return. So to join Ysense is very simple. Enter your email here and enter your password. Accept the terms and conditions of Ysense and click on join now. They will send you an email and your account will be created. Like I said again, how to create your account is very, very simple. Like I said, enter your email in here, then enter your password here, and you are good to go. So you can now go and click on the email they will send to you for verification. So now that you know how you can sign up on Ysense, so we are going to log into our account. Let's assume that you have your account now. So we are going to log in. I will click on sign in here. So once I click on sign in, it will bring me to this tab here, this page here. Then I will click on log in and sign in here. Just click on sign in since I've entered my email and password, and it will open Ysense. As you can see, this is Ysense, and as you can see, this is my name, Gospel Ogiagbe. This is my email. You cannot see that, which is I will block that. And yeah, I can block it, but I cannot. But that is okay. There's no problem. As you can see, my current balance is 18 cents, and that is what I want you to see. That is what I have on my account as the proof that I'm using this website. But I have not received money, but I'm using it. It's just to be honest about this video, because I'm making it for my viewers or my subscribers. So I have to be honest to you guys. I have not made money yet because I have not hit the minimum amount to cash out, and we'll see how much you can get before to cash out on Ysense. I will still tell you on this video. So first, I want to show you how you can really make money with this website. So how you can make money with this website is very simple. You just need to click on this section that says services. You can click on complete surveys. So on this section here, you will find a bunch of surveys that you can start completing and you are getting paid. You can see that say complete those surveys and earn $4.50. Start now. You can just start taking all those surveys and you will make this $4.50 survey. You can see this website will pay you $4.50. This surveys will pay you 37 cents. This survey will pay you 27 cents. So it keeps on going. So you can see all these websites will pay you all this money for completing all those surveys. So you can see they are paying very, very well. They are paying you well. So you can see that they will pay you $4 for completing a survey, and it continue going. So you can come down here, those are surveys that you can do. So these are profile surveys. You can continue doing this profile survey. This one is unlimited. This profile survey, it continuously coming. More you enter. Like if I click on this question here, it will ask me to choose, and I will choose one answer here, and I will click on answer. You will see that I will click on until I complete the 10 pool, this 10 pool question here. So if I complete this 10 pool, I will get paid 2 cents for just doing that. So that is how you can really take surveys on those website, which is called Ysense. So that is how you can take surveys. If I click on offers here, and you see a bunch of websites that you can take surveys from or complete tasks from, like this website that you can download the application. If I click on that, it will open up, which is Offer2Ro. Offer2Ro will open up, and all I just need to do is to look what Offer2Ro is offering, like downloading the application. You can see how those websites work. You can see if I click on any of those websites now and complete the task, I'm going to get paid for just doing that. So you can see how much they are paying, 8 cents. This one is paying almost $2 by doing this. This one is paying almost $1 plus. Yeah, see, continuously like that. So all you just need to do, you can even see downloading TikTok. You can see they will pay you 35 cents. You can see this website is going to pay you 70 cents. This website is going to pay, continuously going like that. This website is going to pay you €7.30, $7.30. So it keeps on going like that. So all you just need to do is to go and start using those websites, downloading application, completing offers, and you are going to get paid in return for just doing that. So now that you know how you can make money by, like, you click on surveys here, surveys here, you can see a bunch of surveys that you can take. If you click on offers, you will see a bunch of offers that you can use to like complete a task, and you are getting paid in return. So if you click on this section that say affiliate, which is the affiliate program, which is what I'm going to show you now, which is how you can really make money, by referring people to this program. So let us see the affiliate program. If I click on affiliate program here, so it's going to open up the affiliate program here. You can see it say become a Ysense affiliate and start earning money today. It's a Ysense with share your Ysense up to, you see your earning will grow and earn up to 30% recurring commission. So you need to focus on this. This recurring commission is if the person is continuously using the services through that your link, you will make money. Like if you are the one that referred them, you are going to be making lifetime earning from them. That is what is called recurring. If you don't know what is recurring, so yeah, all you just need to do, copy your link here and go and share it with your friend, and you are going to get paid for referring your friends to this program. And if you click on this section again, I think they have some banners, which is campaign. I don't know. I think it's campaign. Yeah, I think it's this section. You can copy their banners and go and paste it on your website. I think it's tactics. I think it's in that section. You can find their banners. You can go and paste in their banners. Or here is the tactics, where you will see everything that you are doing from January to December. You will see the table here. You can just go and see what to make in the last yesterday, today, or you will find everything here, how much you made. So that is what I want to talk about on this session about the affiliate. So we are going to talk about the main thing, which is the payment method. How are you going to receive your money, which is what I'm going to show you right now. So when you click on cash out, if I click on cash out now, it's going to open up this page that you can see, which is the ways that you can use to receive your money. So all you just need to do here now is to choose the method that you wish to receive your money here. So if it's gift card, you click on gift card and order reward. If I click on order reward, it will show order reward too, but I just need to leave everything as gift card, and you can find all the gift card that you can use to cash out here. You can find Payoneer, you can find PayPal, you can find reward link, preference, you can find stream, you can find stream. So all you just need to do, once you know you have the minimum amount of cashing out, you can just click on any one of them here, because I usually use PayPal. If I click on PayPal here now, it will open up, and all I just need to do is to select the amount I want to cash out, and I click on cash out. The money will be sent into my PayPal account. So that is everything I need to talk about this website, which is called Ysense. I hope you get how the website is working. And if you want to join our forum, the link to join our forum will be in the description below. So just click on that link. It will take you to our forum, where you can ask any question you want to ask me, and I will be available all 24 hours to answer your question. So just go and ask your question, and let's keep on going. I will see you soon on my other video.